find the one for me, the one for me. 'Cause in the end, she's still the best of me. The one for
Is my son back?
Yes, my king.
Where is he?
In the sitting room.
Tell him to come and join me in the dining table.
Okay, my king.
You are the worst mistake I didn't make, but the best decision I have made. I will go through these hills and mountains.
The king needs you at dining.
Tell my father I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry? My prince, oh my God, what's Nigeria?
Are you drunk? So tell my father I'm not hungry. Get off me.
Tell my father I'm not hungry. Get off.
And so I did Johnny, I beg you pray for me, for me. I will go through these hills and valleys to watch you smile.
The prince said that he's not hungry.
Is he okay? Or is he sick?
From his look, he's sad. He's not in a
Sad.
Yes, my king.
Alright, cover this food. Grace. You're looking so melancholic. You have to eat to stay healthy, to look good.
Frustrated.
Alright, call me. So, well, have you heard from Barbara since she left the country?
No?
I think she can make a good housewife to you.
Barbara?
Yes.
She's very rude, heartless. Yes, I'm telling you. She treats her fellow human beings like dogs.
But she seems to love you.
No. She claims to love me because I'm a prince. At the same time, she treats her servants like rags. I'm a compassionate wife.
So I go through the hills and mountains to find the one for me, the one for me. I will search through the million faces to choose the only one, the only one. And so I did Johnny, I beg you pray for me, for me. I will be my wife, I go my work, my dancing while you do come.
I love the view from the balcony. The breeze. Don't you, son?
I do.
Come on, son. Cheer up. How did you go with Halona?
It was a disaster, father. And I thought Halona would be the one. I was wrong.
Rose, Jennifer, Cynthia, and even Juliana. All of them.
Father, do you know that Halona is Jennifer's friend?
Is that so?
To think that Jennifer fascinated me at first sight.
Oh yeah. boy, now when you want Mali.
That's who you got.
Jason! Jason! How did you know today was my birthday?
You always said you wanted to come back, man.
Auntie, you ready to settle down? You know, go understand, though.
Jennifer, will you marry me?
Jason!
Why are you crying?
I'm sorry, my love. It's the emotion. And please don't get choked. Yes. I want you.
Now so it them no go give you peace and dimple. Now so it be, them no go put you for wahala. Now so it them no go put you for palava. Now so it be, make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing, no, now you go enjoy. If you carry your hand on, throw away your blessing, no, now you sabi. Yeah, a boy where they plan to marry. Now who she be? Now who you want to marry?
I was still cheating on you. To understand, Haruna. My heart beats for the prince. I truly love him.
That means you have to stop doing prostitution. Because the way I see things, the prince truly loves you. Or can't you say the way he's buying you expensive gifts, taking care of you and all that?
I know. That is what I fear the most. I can't stop my work. But then I'm afraid. Because I don't want to hurt him.
Oh well, I really wish I'm in your shoes.
You?
Yes.
A professional thief like you. Everywhere he goes, something must get missing. The priest would even look at you talking about loving you.
Oh well, I agree with you. I am a professional thief. But who are you? And what are you? A professional prostitute.
Whatever.
Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh, brother. Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh. Best things in life are free and simple. Now so it be. Them no go give you heat and pimple. Now so it day. Them no go put you for wahala. Now so it be. Them no go put you for palava. Now so it day.
Samuel, did you know the prince almost caught me today with Dikeh? Yes. I had to lie to him that Dikeh is my caretaker.
Girl, I'm afraid this might not end well.
Yeah, I know. But I don't know what to do right now.
Come on, girl. You are sharper than this. You are one clever girl that I know. Just play your game the way you used to play it, and the ball will be in your net.
Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh, brother. Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh. Best things in life are free and simple. Now so it be. Them no go give you heat and pimple. Now so it day. Them no go put
Please
you
try out your friends, since you are not ready to settle down here.
Babe, I told you I would change. So, Leave my man for me.
It's not that I'm dragging the man with you. But come on, I am also in love with him.
You can say whatever you want to say, but I don't see anywhere close to the prince.
Alright. Can I please have him just for one night?
How long? I'm done with this conversation.
Just for one night. Just for a night.
Best things in life are free and simple. That's how it is. I'm not gonna give you heat and pimples. That's how it be. I'm not gonna put you for wahala. That's how it is. I'm not gonna put you for palava. That's how it be. Make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing. No, now you go enjoy. If you carry your hand over, throw away your blessing.
Jennifer!
Oh my God. You see what it cost?
You cost it!
My devil.
Just say what you think, please.
Listen, it's not my fault. She was forcing me.
She forced you. Ikwete?
Kedu ka isi eme?
Kedu ka isi eme, you idiot?
Just wait! Jason!
Oh yeah.
See, that girl is more of an illusion. Believe me, I'm so heartbroken.
Poor you. She told me she loves you and she will change. When I thought I would give up my love for you, the thought of it is making me mad.
What?
Yeah, it was love at the first sight at the airport, remember?
Yes, I remember.
Yeah, I have to give it up because she promised me she would change.
You mean?
Yes. Jennifer is a professional prostitute, but she loves you.
If you carry your hand over, throw away your blessing. No, now you sorry.
It's hard she's not taking you anywhere. And she won't allow me to have you.
Well, you don't need her permission to have me.
Are you hungry?
Just crazy for true love.
Oh yeah. A boy, you know when you want Mali. Now who you want Mali? You might just not answer these questions because you're not ready. Woman are plenty, but wife not many. Until you're ready to settle down, you never understand, oh. So I go through the hills and mountains to find the one for me, the one for me. I was
Good morning. Please, I want to invite you to an art exhibition. Yes, this morning by 9 a.m. Okay, alright. See you there soon. Thank you. Bye.
I'll go through the hills and valleys to find the one for me, the one for me. 'Cause
I didn't know you were interested in artworks.
You had a fun of it?
Yes, I enjoyed myself. I love opera.
Oh, good. I too.
This is cool. Don't tell me you...
Yes, I'm a pickpocket.
Good. Haruna.
What? It is skill or talent.
Haruna.
Yes, what?
My God, I don't believe this. I'm so disappointed in you.
But why?
What do you mean why? And I thought I was going to settle down with you.
Jennifer, my friend, is a prostitute. And I am a professional thief. But honestly, I promise I will never lie to you nor cheat on you. Yes.
I beg you, pray for me, for me. I would go through these hills and valleys to watch you smile, watch you smile. I would give just anything to make you mine. I got my way, I got my okay, my dancing when you do come. I got my way, I got my okay, my dancing.
When did you take it?
It is fascinating talent or skill. I'm a professional thief, but not an armed robber.
You are a disgrace. Get out.
Best things in life are free and simple. That's all it does. Them not gonna give you heat and pimple. That's all it be. Them not gonna put you for wahala. That's all it does. Them not gonna put you for palava.
Tell me, Father. I was so ashamed of you. Father, man.
This is your not one I am calling. What will be better?
I boy you where they plan to marry. Now who she be? Now who you want to marry? Now you sub you. Oh baby where they want to marry. Now who you be? I said now who you want to marry. Now you
Let's see. What do you see? I don't know, sir.
I don't know. Where is she?
At the gates.
See, tell her I'm not around. Huh? I don't want to see her. Tell her anything, just make her believe I'm not around. Just discharge her.
Okay. Prince, so she lie. Nonsense.
Please, we don't tell me that, please. Go and tell her what I said. Sorry about that. It's okay. I don't mind this. It's just a cloud.
Collect your blessings, sister. Collect your blessings. Best things in life are free and simple. So you there. I'm not gonna give you heat and pimple. So you
What is it?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
This place.
Prince, yes?
Place was full of life. If I can praise it, imagine.
Yes, I know.
As I just entered inside, and I go back. Oh my God,
Yes. What happened to the prince?
as I entered inside, I found Prince.
How do you mean?
You
told me the prince was inside. Did he disappear?
Yes, no. Yes, no now. No, you don't understand. Prince.
Okay. Alright. Please, will you help me?
Your eyes is soft. I like your eye. You look at mommy water.
Please help me, okay?
Just keep looking at me. Chop, let me pay because of this week. It's like Prince is inside.
Really?
Yes.
Alright, good. Come on.
Just wait for me, yo. Mommy was happy. I live in my life. Mommy was happy my life.
Jerry, has she bought your idea?
Yes, Mike.
Where is your wristwatch?
Hey, I was putting it here. How about me, man? My prince.
Oh.
Alona.
My prince, who is Alona?
Father, you now see how unlucky I've been when it comes to love.
Don't worry, son. I will help you find a wife.
How?
I have a plan.
A plan?
Never mind, Jerry, please get us some glass.
Baby, where they want to marry? Say now who you be. I said now who you want to
I summon all of you here to inform you about a royal moment. My son and I will embark on a journey as commoners to help him find a true wife. Jerry, you are going to be in charge of the palace while I am gone. I want all of you to be as steadfast in my absence as you do in my presence.
Yes.
Did I make myself clear?
Yes, my king.
Yes.
Where are you people going to?
Where I am going to is my secret. Can I count on you, Jerry?
Yes, my king.
Any other question?
No, my king.
That will be all.
That's so it is. I'm not gonna put you for palaver. That's so it be. Make you marry a blessing. Marry a blessing. No, now you
About to just organize now. I said everybody should go back.
Go inside and wait for me.
Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh, brother. Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh.
Hello. I have no doubt that you will efficiently run this kingdom until I come back.
Exactly, Igwe. But when are you coming back?
I don't know really, but as soon as I'm able to find a wife for my son, I will come back.
Well, I pray your journey will be crowned with success, and you will come back as soon as possible.
It's hello. I hope I can count on your support.
Yes, you will.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. I beg to take my leave.
Oh yeah. Right at the pick of time, I will find you. If not the will of God, I go marry you. I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but only you are here. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in between. Yet you are still the one and the only one for me. Baby girl, you are my heart desire. See the way you done make me feel, you done set my love on fire.
How are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon. Landlord, these people in the room here.
Okay, they are the people you tell me. Okay, you are welcome. This is my house. God give me this house. In this house, there is no trouble. My grandfather died and left the house for me. No, let me rephrase that. My grandfather died and left the house for my father. Now my father he died and left the house for me. Now I must die and leave it for my pikin. In this compound we doesn't have a problem. Do you understand? You know you are old man, so you respect your old age. This one, is it your son? Is it your pikin or your houseboy?
My houseboy.
Houseboy. Malife. Malezibife. I don't make trouble. Go give me money. Give me now. We take go.
Right at the pick of time, I will find you. If not the will of God, I go marry you. I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but only you are here. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in between. Yet you're still the one and the only one for me. Baby girl, you are my heart desire. See the way you done make me feel, you done set my love on fire. Sometimes I wonder why I know Mali before. But I know what I realize.
It is complete.
Right now we can celebrate all of our
I want you to know that in this house, I am the landlord, I am the agent, and I am the caretaker. Don't you give my money to another person. I think you hear me. And control yourself. Control yourself. This is the key, and this is the spare, and that is your room. That is your territory. Okay.
Let us go and bring our property.
Go and come back with your property. You have a house already. Okay. Hey, I got the work and I'm okay. You go? By Messia Kylo. Okay, now wait, it is hot.
I will never ever make you cry, I never let you down, baby. I'll never ever give you hour, I never let you down. So can we slide, can we take it slowly? And we can take a trip around the world, babe. Now I don't realize, you know we love God. And now I don't realize, you know we love God.
Good day, sir.
Do you stay in this compound?
Yes, sir, with my parents.
Oh, that's good. I am Okafor, but you can call me Uncle Okafor.
Okay.
This is my nephew, John.
Okay, you are welcome, sir.
We are the newest tenants in this compound.
Okay, I'm aware of that. You're welcome, sir. My name is Esther.
Esther. Nice to meet you, Esther.
Same here, sir. Welcome.
Son, we have found 2 ladies already for you to choose as a wife. Let's just see what they will become. Okay?
Be patient. Time will tell.
Okay. I know the time will tell us good story. Let's go.
Anybody can say a word, but only you are
Leave me alone. Don't leave me alone. Leave me alone. I want you.
Stop fighting.
If you touch my shoe again without my consent,
I'll destroy your face.
But that's I can use it.
Is she your sister?
Yeah, she's my other sister.
And who is your father?
The landlord.
Yeah. Couldn't see a be here. No matter what, you should never fight with your elder sister. She's older than you should respect her. Huh?
Okay. Are you the new tenant?
Yes, yes. My name is John. And that's my uncle. You can call him Uncle Okafor. So what's your name?
I'm Naomi.
And your sister?
Oh yeah. I boy, you know when you want Mali. Now who you want Mali? You might just not.
You know, before the king leave this palace, he gave an instruction that as the chief guard, I should take in charge of everybody that is in this palace, including you.
You must be very stupid. Hey God, what's the meaning of this nonsense? Huh? Okay, wait. Even if you are the chief guard, have you forgotten that I'm the chief maiden in this palace?
Oh, yeah, no, lady. Both of us are chief chefs. You understand? See, let me tell you, stop pretending. I know you love me. I'm a fine boy. See my red lips. So, as the chief guard, I have to give you the last order. Follow me.
You must be very stupid. Idiot. You know what? When you hear me nonsense from your mouth again, I will tell the king when he returns. Nonsense.
No, I'm just joking now. See, what you doing, eh?
I'll go through the hills and valleys to find the one for me, the one for me.
Uncle?
John, yes, sir.
Yeah. I want to stroll.
No wonder you're dressed up looking good.
Yes, sir. Let me look around.
All right. Okay.
Okay, if you need me to get anything for you, just let me know.
I'll tell you.
Your clothes is fine. You're welcome. Okay, bye-bye.
Excuse me. Can you help me buy some airtime?
Okay, let me drop this. I'm coming.
I'll give just anything to make you mine.
How much for? Which airtime?
MTN.
Okay. Alright.
For me, I would go through these hills and valleys to watch you smile, watch you smile.
I hope all is going on well in the palace company.
Oh no, everything is going on well. In short, more than well.
That is good.
We are living fine.
I love that.
Oh no, everything is...
Oh no. Let me help her out. What she's trying to say, we have not heard from our king and prince. Yes.
Just that.
Just that.
You people should not worry about the king and the prince. Exactly. They are very fine where they are.
Very, very okay.
In fact, they will join us soon. But one thing, make sure no one enters the throne room.
That is it.
Till they are back.
Oh no, let me tell you. That is why I'm the chief guard. I will broadcast the news. No one enters the...
That is good. We shall be wonderful.
Thank you. Yes, I will go and broadcast it. Oh no, bye-bye. Shh. Have you heard what they say? Make sure nobody enters the throne except me.
Who is talking?
Ecclesiastes chapter 9 verse 9. Nobody sees the God without the sheep guard.
If you like, go there.
In this bed, then they call it water bed. In our quick, that one.
What am I still doing here?
Shoma.
Hey.
Shoma, wait. What do you want to tell me that time?
What you have been doing since the king left.
Shoma is again. See, I wish you tell them what I'm doing. By now, you would have been a dead person. Shoma, you are heartless.
Okay, I'm sure they don't know who is still in this compound. Wait, I'm coming.
Don't you know? Can someone pray with you? Don't you know that I'm a comedian? Chioma, let me tell you, it's high time you cool down in this palace. I'm the chief guard. You are the chief lady. Chioma, Adam and Eve, we are meant to be together. Don't you know? All these things started from. Don't you know? Don't you see the video and Chioma? All of them started from grass to grace. So our own don't pass grass. Now it's palace. From palace. Hey! We are meant to be together. Just say yes. I will take you to my village. Not my village. I will take you to Congo, Dubai. From there, we'll go to church. I want to go here because I know you are from Inamufanta. You must have mommy water or papi water. So from there, Oba, I am much more peaceful. Let me show you my swag. First of all, making a boy leg. So, where are you going? On Aqua. Nah, this guy now. Chioma, let me tell you. One day, you must swear.
So you have the mind to sit on the throne? Eh? The king must hear of this.
Let me tell you. It won't happen again. Oh yeah, it
is not even up to 2 days the king and the prince left this palace. Yes, you're misbehaving already. What's wrong with you? What? If you like, beg from now till the kingdom comes. The king must hear of this.
Who knows the time the king and the prince will be coming back?
By God's grace, very soon they'll be back.
Are you sure?
Very soon. I hope so.
I also know that they are coming back with something good though. Anyway, we are just here to pray for them. You know?
You are not far from the truth.
Let's wait and see.
What are you guys doing here? So now you people don't have anything to do. Apart from talking, now go back to your duty post. Stop shouting at us. I'm next time, don't put on. He's gonna show at the bar. I'm in charge. I'm in charge. Onye came here, I'm in charge.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, young lady.
Please, is Anita around?
I don't think so. They left early this morning. But you can go to their door and check. Go and check.
Thank you, sir.
Call me Uncle Okafor. And who are you?
I'm Rejoice.
Wow, Rejoice. Lovely name. Beautiful name.
Thank you.
And you have that gap in between your teeth.
Thank you so much.
You're so beautiful. Who is your mother? Thank you
so much. Let me go and check on her.
Oh yeah. I boy, you know when you want Mali. Now who you want Mali? You might just not answer these questions because you're not ready.
I just checked their door and it's locked, so I'm leaving.
I told you they are not here. So when will I see you again?
Uncle Papa, I don't know.
Hey. The same way you checked up on them, someone checked them out here. You know your name rings like a bell. Rejoice. Because you're going to be the choice. And you have the voice.
Coca, for your phone, I'm leaving.
Just the only one. The only one.
Hey, rejoice.
And so I did.
Oh my little one.
Oh, Coca, for see your paper. Hey!
Are you interested in her?
Where does that question come from? Just take a look at me and look at that young girl. The age discrepancy tells you that I'm not interested.
Uncle, don't deny it. Oh, I saw you. Don't deny it. I saw the way you were staring at her. So don't deny it.
Okay. Since you want to satisfy your curiosity, now let me break the ice for you.
Okay.
I am not doing this for me. My son, who is in America, gave me an assignment to find him a genuine wife. Someone that will love him for him, not for what he is.
Are you sure?
Hi. As sure can be, I am sure.
Are you sure?
Okay.
But the best decision I have made, I will go through these hills and mountains to see you smile.
Fine.
Where have you been? I'm just coming from your place now. Have you tried your number? It's not reachable.
Sorry, my dear. My battery died.
You and this your phone, safe. I saw one old man in your compound. Is he your uncle?
Uncle Kev. He's a tenant.
That man is so funny.
What's funny about him?
Why are you sounding like this?
Please, the man is an old fool.
Why did he say so?
I would go through these hills and valleys to watch you smile, watch you smile. I would give just anything to make you mine.
Okay. I thought as much. I stopped hearing her voice. She has gone inside.
How did your outing go? Did you get to meet anybody?
I didn't meet anyone. I didn't even have time for that. I went out there, everybody was just looking at me. I felt very uncomfortable. I had to cut it short and run back home before someone would recognize me.
As for me, I met a new face. Her name is Rejoice.
Rejoice?
Yes.
Who is she?
Anita's friend. She's a beautiful one.
This compound seems quite promising.
You can say that again. It is.
At this rate, you end up getting a wife for yourself too.
It wouldn't be a bad idea. After all, it's been years since your mother passed on. With what I'm seeing around here, my body is already talking to me.
Best things in life are free and simple. That's all it does. Them not gonna give you heat and pimple. That's all it be. Them not gonna put you for wahala. That's all it does. Them not gonna put you for palava.
Oh, good. How are you?
I'm fine. Are you?
Okay.
I see that. Is your uncle?
Yes.
Alright. I came to check on you to know you're enjoying yourself in our compound.
Yes, as you can see, we're trying.
Yeah, it's obvious.
Hey, go come and join me.
No, thank you. I'll see you later. I'm off to it. Bye.
If you call it your hand, throw away your blessing, now you sabi. I boy you where they plant in
Who was that?
Faith. She said she came to check up on us.
This choice will be very difficult.
You're right, Father. All the girls are very beautiful.
Very beautiful, all of them. We'll see. I can see you're not enjoying this food.
I don't have a choice. Why don't you?
No, I don't want to shut your ration. Go ahead, I have mine.
That's how it does. Them no go give you heat and pimple. That's how it be. Them no go put you for wahala. That's how it does. Them no go put you for palava. That's how it be. Make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing, no. Now you go enjoy. If you carry your hand, throw away your blessing, no. Now you.
Sir, someone is here to see you.
You again? Okay, you can now go.
Thank
you. You again?
I'm sorry for the last time.
Who are you looking for now?
Is the prince in?
No. Yeah. Yes, he's in.
Okay. Please, can you call him for me? Tell him I want to see him, please.
See, let me tell you, I'm not happy with you. If not just that I have a just nice dream last night, I will not forgive you. But I read this first.
Thank you.
Ciao, Mangwa. You are welcome.
Thank you. This is a guest house.
See, let me tell you. You know, in this palace, I'm the chief guard. See, let me tell you. This is where the prince will see you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay then. Go and call him for me.
If I will go, I do whatever. He will sit down.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh, you are quite kind. Thank you for thanking me. Coming, but I don't know why you are following Prince. Don't you know that Prince doesn't like you? Fine girl like you is supposed to be coming to fine boy like me. Shut up! I should shut up in my own palace. See, let me tell you one more word. I will order my guards to take you out from this palace. See, let me tell you, King and Prince, they are not around, and what? I'm in charge.
I won't stand here and listen to your nonsense.
Now I order you to call me my new name. Igwe Osinamwata Bulogaranya, one of Asaba Kingdom. What about me? I know that. Okay, you don't want to call me. You think I'm Igwe when I phone. I will tell you that I'm Igwe with swag. But watch my swag. It shows that finally he must fall for me. So now, okay, I got to go. I'm confused. On the opposite, come so be a yeah, cancel be
Joe, you better come out now before I tell people what my eye just saw.
What's that now?
You better cooperate now before I tell the whole palace what my eye just saw.
Please, don't tell anybody. I'm begging you.
I will. No, for you to keep me quiet, you have to pay me.
Yes, anything. Just tell me anything. I will do.
Just pay me.
Eh? No. Hey, I wanted to give you my own plate of rice this night. But about you now, I'll pay you. So my man, it's okay until you get I saw you, Bodo. Okay? I'm coming, let me go inside and bring money.
wahala. That's all it is. Them not go put you for palaver. That's all it be, yo. Make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing, no. Now you go.
Are you washing?
Yeah.
Let me help you.
No, don't worry. Thank you.
Do you think I'm doing it for you? Yes, I'm doing it for my friend Uncle Okafo. So let me help you. Yes.
I boy you where they plan to marry. Now who she be? Now who you want to marry? Now you sabi oh. Oh baby where they want to marry. Say now who you be? I said now who you want to marry? Now you sabi. You see good things of life comes in disguise. You may never know. The best things of life comes in disguise. You may never know. So open your eyes, oh, open your ears, oh, You see, no be how you plan, no. It a come, oh, no be as you think, come it enter. And so open your mind, oh, feel free, oh. Collect your blessings, sister, brother. Best things in life are free and simple. So you there, I'm gonna give you peace and dimple.
You asked me to drop by when next I come to visit Naija.
Yes, I did. Sit down. You don't want to sit with me?
I'm okay here. Hope it's not what I'm thinking of.
What are you thinking? What do you have in your mind?
Anita said that you're interested in me.
Yes.
Yes.
No, Rejoice, no. Sit down. It is not what you think. Sit down, Nolani. I am not doing this for me.
Then who?
I'm doing it for my son who is in America. Okay?
Then give me my contact.
I don't have his contact now. But I know he's coming back very soon. Very, very soon.
Uncle Kafo, do you know that you're funny? You're a funny man. Well,
you keep saying this. Is it not better to be funny?
Put you for wahala. I saw it be. Them not go put you for palaver. I saw it there. Make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing. Marry your blessing. No, now you go enjoy. If you carry your hand, wear your blessing, no, now you sabi.
Anita, can you imagine that old man? Old man or old fool, whatever. He claims he's interested in me for that his ghost son in America.
Why saying ghost son?
Because he's making it up.
Jennifer, why do you say so?
Because he said he doesn't have his son's contact and that he's hoping that his son's return soon.
That man, that old idiot.
That's all it does. Them not gonna give you heat and pimple. That's all it be. Them not gonna put you for wahala. That's all it does. Them not gonna put you for palaver. That's all it be, yo. Make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing, no. Now you go enjoy. If you carry your hand, throw away your blessing, no. Now you sabi. A boy where they plan to marry. Now who she be? Now who you want to marry? Now you sabi oh. A baby where they want to marry. Say now who you be? I said now who you want to marry.
Hey! This is exactly what I'm talking about. Look at how clean everywhere is.
Good body, sir.
That is good. Where are my children?
I think they are still sleeping inside.
They are sleeping?
Yes, sir.
They are sleeping inside? By this time of the day? Have they made money? Have they married millionaire or billionaire
or both of them. And they are sleeping. Hey, come, Anita, Naomi. Hi. My God. Come here.
Papa, you called me.
I called you. So you are still sleeping by this time of the day? When your mates are outside there hunting for husband, rich or poor, young or old, and you are sleeping.
Papa, you have come again. Can you just allow me be in peace? Be cool now. Leave me.
You want to be in peace? Do you know you are a full-grown monkey? And when you grow small more, you will become a full-grown baboon. And when you grow some more, you will become a full-grown chimpanzee. And if you grow, you will become King Kong. Do you know why I gave birth to you as a woman? Oh, so you thought I did not know what I was doing? I wanted women so that I can get dowry. Dowry. Do you want me to die in poverty? Do you? You are sleeping. By this time of the day, where is your sister?
She's inside sleeping.
Sleeping? Were you people born to sleep? Are you born to sleep? Look at your mates marrying every day. And you don't want me to improve my life? Why did I give birth to you? If I did not want dowry, I would have given birth to only boys. You are busy sleeping. Okay. Anita!
That's how it is. Them not gonna give you feet and pimple. That's how it be. Them not gonna put you for wahala. That's how it is. Them not gonna put you for palava. That's how it be. Make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing. No, now you go enjoy. If you carry your hand over.
Esther, so you have the mind to tell my father that I'm sleeping inside, Abi?
Your father only asked me where you are. I told him that you are sleeping inside.
Hey! Esther, you can lie for Africa. Do you think I was not listening to what you and my father were talking about? Eh?
What is my offense? I don't understand. I don't just understand it. Naomi, why do you and your sister hate me so much in this compound? Anything Esther do is wrong. What is my offense? I mean, what did I do to deserve so much hatred from you people? What?
Esther, is it because I asked you to leave that old man alone and you refused? That's why I want to collide I and my father together. Don't worry. Don't worry, Anita is coming for you. And you know what she can do, Abby? She's coming. Just wait.
What will she do?
You're asking me? Don't worry now. She will beat you blue black.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let her come.
Don't beg,
I'm waiting for her.
Don't beg.
Let her
Keep
come.
taking man. She's coming. Don't worry. She's coming for you.
Nonsense.
Good
morning.
Good morning. I'm fine.
Okay.
Let me ask you something. Are you quarreling with Anita?
Let's forget about Anita. She's too full of herself. I mean, she's too troublesome. Don't just talk about her, please. Do you know what? She'll feel that she's the center of the whole world. Don't let her matter bother you.
I have a story for you. Story of a pregnant princess.
Yes. Okay, just wait. Let me just drop this thing in the kitchen. I will come back. You know I love your story so much. I'm coming.
So open your eyes, open your ears, You see, no be how you
So, I'm back to hear the story. So tell me, but first of all, have you eaten this morning? Okay, go ahead.
This is the story about a pregnant princess. She's a wonderful princess. She has a benevolent heart.
put you for wahala. That's all it is. Them not go put you for palava.
I was telling the story about the pregnant princess. The princess was so beautiful. Her beauty was so profound. But you know the main thing?
No.
The prince was so in love with her.
Wow.
Madly in love with her.
So what happened then?
Wow. Uncle Kafo, I see you are in very good company.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
When you left now, the old man was all alone here, very lonely. So I decided to keep him company. But now you are back. Let me go and continue with what I'm doing. Uncle Kafo, we'll continue the story later. Okay?
No, go, don't worry, no. Let's not look as if I'm spoiling things. Sit, keep it company. It's okay.
No problem.
No.
Okay.
Yes,
We'll continue. Just continue the story.
It's okay, don't worry.
Consider.
Uncle Kafo,
like I was saying.
So you people are sleeping in this palace. Let's assume now kidnappers enter this palace and kidnap me. Don't you people know that you people are meant to be guiding me? You people are paid for this. Ndala.
Joshua, someone can't rest for you again in this palace.
Just because our king asked you to take care of everything in this palace, that's why you're disturbing everybody. You can't even allow us to eat or drink or touch all this.
I'm talking and you are talking about ma. Ijele wine. Do you have anything to say?
Joe, we know why we are leaving you.
I know you can.
If not,
take your time. You're looking for a trouble. Be outside. Oh. Now I will tell you why they call me Joe, the chief guard. By the power bestowed on me as the chief guard of this palace, I command you people.
So you would have brought it down now.
Uncle?
Welcome. Fine. Just 5 again. 3, 2, 8.
Uncle?
Yes.
Do you know Precious thinks you need to see a psychiatrist?
Why would I need a psychiatrist?
Because she thinks you made up the whole story of my cousin in America. She thinks you don't even have a son, not to talk of having a son who is outside the country.
It's Anita and her friend who is spreading those rumors. I don't even know what their problem is.
My dear, everybody is entitled to their own opinion. Okay?
Uncle Kafo, you are right. But not to the extent of defaming someone's character. It's not fair.
Forget them. Let me focus on my game, please.
Obviously, I have a lawyer.
Please stop. Do you know how to come and join us?
Sorry, I'll just watch you.
Just don't think about it. Those guys are too troublesome. Skify, this one have gone inside, right?
No.
Uncle Kafo, trying to shoot me.